welcome back to my channel. I'm Chantel the Belle. Today I have for you a pattern review for the Jessica dress. The Jessica dress is by Mimi G in collaboration with her magazine called So Def magazine. It's a magazine for sewing enthusiasts or beginner sewers. It just is a magazine that helps explores some sewing topics and some other DIYers in the community. So I just wanted to just go over just the dress and my thoughts on sewing it. I have not had a chance to wear it yet outside of taking pictures for my blog, but I did want to share my thoughts on the pattern overall. So if you are interested in learning about what I thought about the Jessica dress, please stay tuned. Okay, so we're back. So the Jessica dress, like I said, is by Mimi G in conjunction with her magazine So Def. From my understanding, this is one of her most popular patterns from the magazine, the Jessica pattern, or the Jessica dress, as a lot of women have really taken to it and sewn it, and myself included. So just really quick, just wanted to share some details with you about the dress. It is a button-up sweetheart neckline dress, as you can see here. It's the straps are not adjustable. That's a little advanced, I believe. But the straps are not adjustable. So in sewing the dress, you need to make sure that you measure the straps before affixing them to the dress. But anywho, so we're gonna get started. This is a button-up sweetheart neckline dress, as you can see here with the neckline. This is definitely a sweetheart. The pattern is available in sizes extra small up to XXL. I cut the extra large because this was my first time working with a PDF pattern, and I wasn't sure how the dress would fit if I had cut a large, but I'm glad that I cut the extra large because it actually fits me very well. The bodice of the dress fits a little tight, so just keep that in mind when you're sewing, and especially with your seam allowances. But I cut the extra large of the dress. Were the instructions easy to follow? Yes. The instructions were very easy to follow and very clear. If you are not familiar with Mimi G, she is very thorough in describing the steps that it takes to get the finished product. She has a couple of videos available on YouTube where she actually sews along with you from start to finish the dress, and you can see even in her videos when she's talking, she's still very thorough. So I was very surprised, well, not really, I was very pleased that the instructions were also very clear and easy to follow. What did I like or dislike about the pattern? There wasn't really anything that I did not like about the pattern. I know that I struggle with gathering, so that's always been kind of a difficult area for me, but I've been working on it, and with this dress I was able to further practice my gathering skills, and I think that it actually turned out pretty great. The gathering, they don't look bad. So I'm very pleased with that. The dress was, like I said before, very easy to sew. The instructions were very easy to follow. I believe I finished this dress in 3 or 4 hours after, not including cutting the pattern and cutting the fabric. This was just the actual assembly of the dress. So the fabric I used was 100% cotton kente-like fabric that I got from my local Joann's. She definitely recommends 100% cotton fabrics or fabrics that have a little bit of structure to them. So when you're out looking for fabric choices, just keep that in mind, that it should be something along the 100% cotton lines. I did not alter the pattern at all. Like I said, this was my first time sewing from a PDF pattern, so I don't know if you've ever sewn with a PDF pattern, but it's very time intense. Not time intense, but it does take a little bit of time cutting out all the pieces and aligning the sheets of the PDF pattern to make sure that all the lines and the notches and the seams and everything line up correctly on your pattern before you cut it. So I did not make any alterations because this was my first time making it. If I were to make alterations in the future, I may consider going without the straps and seeing how it looks as a strapless dress. But other than that, I wouldn't change anything because I actually really enjoy the look of this dress. Would I sew this dress again? Absolutely. I am actually looking for new patterns to sew this dress again with. I have a couple of patterns here at home that I've just forgotten that I bought a while ago, and I was going through some of the things in my sewing room, and I remembered that I had this Rubbermaid tote full of fabric, so I'm looking through what I have in my stash. If I don't have anything that I'd like to work with, I'll probably visit my local Joann's and go get another fabric. Well, that is it for the pattern review. If you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to leave comments down in the comment section below. Also, if you've ever sewn the Jessica dress, what were your thoughts on the dress? Did you like it? Did you change anything? You know, just share. Sharing is caring. But until next time, I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will be bringing you more sewing videos. So yes, so that's the Jessica dress in all its glory. This was my first time sewing it, and I was super excited at how easy it all came together, and I'm just really excited to wear it. I'll probably get a chance to wear it this weekend. My friend is having a launch party for her new business, so I'll probably debut my dress at her launch. But please comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this of me and my sewing adventures, and just leave a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye. And really quick, I wanted to shout out my aunt Tracy, for making this shirt for me. Some of you may not know, but I am also a realtor in the Northern Virginia, DC metropolitan area. So she made this shirt for me, and I love it. It says coffee, contracts, and then cocktails. So that's, you know, that's my kind of day. But just wanted to give her a quick shout out. Thank you, Aunt Tracy.